Chapter 8 More about formulas. The if function. The formula is equals if, condition, true underscore action, false underscore action. 1. The if statement checks the condition first and then decides whether to perform a true underscore action or false underscore action. 2. If the condition is true, then it performs the true underscore action. Otherwise, it will perform the false underscore action. Example, we can take the example of pass or fail. If the average of the marks scored by the student is less than 35, then fail should be displayed, else pass should be displayed. Click on the result cell, for example K2, and type the formula, and then press the enter key. The result will appear in cell K2. Then apply this formula for the remaining cells. The AND function. The AND function returns true if all conditions are true and returns false if any of the conditions are false. Equals if and condition 1, condition 2, true statement, false statement. Example, equals if and H2 is greater than 75. I2 equals pass, A, C. In this above case the result will be A grade as both the conditions are true as shown in the table. The OR function. The OR function returns true if any of the conditions are true and returns false if all conditions are false. Equals if for condition 1, condition 2, true statement, false statement. Example, equals if for J2 equals P, J2 equals C. Can do better, excellent. In the above case, the result will be satisfactory as shown in the table. Function library. Function library is a collection of different functions available in Formula tab. To invoke function library. 1. Click the Insert Function button. 2. Select the category and the function you want to use. Then click on the OK button. 3. Fill the arguments in the argument boxes, click OK button. Example, use the date function from date and time category for showing the date. Generating a series. Excel recognizes many series from a single cell, such as the days of the week. But you must define two adjacent cells for a series of numbers. Generating a number series. There is an easy way of generating a number series automatically instead of typing the numbers for each cell. Follow the steps given below. 1. Type the first two numbers of the series in two adjacent cells. 2. Select both the cells. 3. Move the cursor to the right-hand bottom side of the cell. 4. You will get a thin plus mark, plus. This is called the fill handle. 5. Click on the plus mark and drag it to the required cell number. 6. The numbers will be generated serially. Generating names of the days and months. Using the above steps, names of the days and names of the months can also be generated. Instead of the numbers, type name of the month or day of the week and press enter key. Now select the cell where you have typed the name, move the cursor to the bottom right side of the cell. When the cursor turns to plus sign, click and drag the mouse in any direction till the required cell number is seen and then release it. The selected cell range gets filled with the name of days or months.